Hello, welcome to Marvelous Iran channel. My name is Fatemeh, English and French tour leader in Iran. Could you please subscribe on my channel and turn on the notification? Every single Friday and Tuesday, come along with me on a journey through wonders of Marvelous Iran. In this video, we are going to visit Hasht Behesht Palace in Isfahan. Hasht Behesht Palace, whose glory and beauty caused many tourists to describe its magnificence, is one of the most spectacular mansions in Isfahan, remained from Safavid dynasty. The central part of the palace is constructed in 4 sections, and its porch is facing the north, featuring a small marble pool. The ceiling that covers this section is lined with colorful plasterworks and decorative mogarnas vaulting. The rooms of first floor, lying in every corner of the mansion, are covered with decorative plasterworks and glamorous paintings. On the second floor, it features a number of porches, rooms, vaults, and windows that add to its beauty. This floor is divided into corridors and chambers, each with its own unique decorations. The walls are dressed with numerous mirrors, and ceiling is also covered with delicate mosaic. Hasht Behesht Palace has an octagonal design, and it was tried to use decorations and symbols that mirror number 8. The exterior design is lined with interesting tileworks on top of the pool, which some refer to Iranian tales with moral meanings, some containing epic and national symbols, some with haunting scenes, and some displaying mythical animals and birds such as phoenix. The construction of Hasht Behesht Palace in Isfahan was completed in 1669. That was during the kingdom of Shah Suleiman Safavid, and it is considered as one of the extraordinary palaces of this dynasty. The surrounding gardens of Hasht Behesht Palace add to its allure. Lush greenery, flowing water channels, and shaded pathways create a tranquil environment, inviting visitors to explore and relax. Hasht Behesht Palace stands as a testament to the rich cultural heritage and architectural achievement of Isfahan. It offers visitors a glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle of the Safavid dynasty and serves as a reminder of the city's glorious past. Exploring Hasht Behesht Palace allows one to appreciate the intricacies of Persian art and architecture, while immersing themselves in the enchanting ambience of this historical gem.